Hi everyone, welcome back to Brady's Motors. Now, it has been a while since I've done my last video, and that's purely because work has just been insanely busy. Work and family life has just kind of taken over. But you joined me today on it's a bittersweet day. So, yes, I'm driving my GT 3.2 V6 Busso. It's driving absolutely superb. So it was recently in the workshop. It had a new battery. It needed a couple of sensors replaced to get rid of some of the error lights on error warnings on the dashboard. Had an engine management light on, which was for an O2 sensor. Mechanically, driving absolutely perfect now. But I said it's a bittersweet day, and that is because this happened. We've got crustiness all up here. And if we go underneath, we've got it chipping there and there, and there's also it's underneath as well. It's starting to bubble there, and again up at the rear, in the rear arch. Front driver's side again starting to show signs of rust, and more bubbling across here and here. And if we go underneath, again it's starting to show even more signs. And then down here, so not good. So there you go, that's why it's a bittersweet day. You join me as I'm currently on my way to the body shop so they can get these seals cut off and see how bad the damage is. Because unfortunately, the rot has finally gotten to my seals. So the GT has finally succumbed. So we don't know how bad they are yet. We'll soon find out. So I'm hoping to have the car back in 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how bad they are. So I'll see you when the seals come back, hopefully. Catch you soon. So here we are, a few days after the trip to the garage, and I was hoping to be delivering good news. However, when it went into the workshop and they started doing the work, I received this video. So as you can see, it's not good news, unfortunately. It looks like the near side is in a pretty bad way, and I'll show you a bit more of a closer look. So all down there is all filler across the sill, and all the way across. But not only that, it is coming up the quarter panel, a little bit into the wheel arch as well. So is this the end of the GT? Well, at this point, I don't actually know what happens next. I have reached out to a couple of companies to see if that work is something that they can take on. Still waiting for a response. The driver side isn't too bad. It is the inner seal that needs doing. The outer seal looks okay. It's just bubbling through, so it's effectively rotting from the inside out. It's just that near side is the problem child here. So wait to see what comes back from the companies I've reached out to. Ultimately, obviously, depending on what the costs are, I don't have an endless pit of money. So we'll wait and see what happens next. But for now, I'm just, utterly heartbroken because at this point, I don't know where we go next. Is this something that you can help with? If it is, drop an email to the email in the description box. But yeah, at the moment, I'm a bit lost for words into kind of where we go from here. But stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll see if we get this baby back on the road. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.